Let there be light. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to
Let me run you through the seasonings real quick. Nice knowing you.
cheers.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is this next day. It's lunchtime. We have kept the craws alive on ice this entire time. It is time for the catch and cook. Grayson and I have both had crawfish before. However, that does not mean we are experts. That does not mean we know what we're doing. And that does not mean we are gonna like it. This is purely an experiment for you guys at home to show you that you could try new things and it could possibly turn out pretty good. So that being said, let's take you to our outdoor kitchen and we're gonna get this chefing session started. Anything to say?
Hopefully it tastes good.
Hopefully it tastes good. Let's get to the kitchen, boys. Welcome back to the outdoor kitchen, guys. We've got our old Coleman, we've got our water. Let me run you through the seasonings real quick. We're gonna season these up with some garlic powder. We got some kosher salt. Then the two experiments here, we've got chile lime and salmon rub, both from Trader Joe's. Finally, we've got a fresh lemon and some non-stick if we need it. Gray and I don't cook seafood, nor have we ever cooked craws before, so this is gonna be an experiment, especially with the flavor palette we got going on. But yeah, we've got the craws in the cooler. I'll show you those, and then we are good to fire up the Coleman. So I hope this is gonna be good.
Guess we'll just have to eyeball it.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys, those are the craws. We got 7 in there, 1 tiny one. The rest of them are really large eaters. And let's get this water boiling so we can put them out and scarf them down. Here we go. Where's that lady?
Here we go.
All right, got the fresh water.
There you go. Good job.
So we got the water heating up. As it does so, we're gonna season up our water because that's how I want to do it.
Gotta make it feel like salt water.
I'm not gonna be shy with the salt. No more with the garlic powder.
Do you want a spoon to stir it around?
Ooh, you wanna see if we have tongs?
Tongs? Like the grabber?
Yeah.
Do you want a rubber one or a plastic one?
Either, it doesn't matter. I'm excited to try this salmon rub here. Let's see, what's in it? Brown sugar, smoked paprika, kosher salt, black pepper, rice concentrate, and dried thyme. Nothing seafoody jumps out at me, but we're gonna put some of that in there too. Based off what I've seen on YouTube, you can season the craws themselves, but that won't really do it. Since we're gonna boil them, we kind of want to make like a seasoning broth so that when they're cooking in the water, they can absorb that flavor. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever cooked anything crustacean, and obviously the first time we've done on the channel. Next up, we're coming in with some chili lime.
Oh yeah.
I figured might as well. Worst case, they're very flavorful, in my opinion.
Here are your tongs when you need them.
Stir.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good, guys.
You want to show them what our broth looks like?
Here's what our broth looks like. Nice and flavorful.
It smells good. Alright guys, so the next step is going to let these boil, or let the water boil, I'm sorry. And after the water is boiling, we are going to enter the craws into the boiling water, and they're going to turn bright red when they're done. Yeah, like I said, all my knowledge on cooking crawfish has come from Ace Videos on YouTube, because I binge his channel, and he's kind of taught me everything I know about cooking crawfish. So with that being said, shout out to Ace Videos, and we're just waiting for the boil now. After a 4-minute YouTube video, we officially are crawfish experts now. We know how to cook them and how to eat them. Therefore, this video has turned from an experiment into an expertise advice video. Just so you guys know, 4 minutes on YouTube and I am an expert. I'm just kidding. Crawfish are just really easy to cook and eat. So, water's almost boiling. We're almost done. According to the YouTube video we just watched, step 1 is to take a drink. I don't drink alcohol, so a little mineral water.
Not a big fan of these.
Step 1, complete. Take a drink.
Ugh.
Grayson just told me he wants to name them before we eat them, which sounds ridiculous to me, but let's go name the crawfish.
Okay, so before we eat these lovely crawfish, let's get to know them. So this one, who's unfortunately gone belly up.
Hold on, he's still alive.
Oh, just taking a belly up rest.
Let's see. Oh, he's still alive.
Just very sad.
They're all just really lethargic because of the temperature of the water.
Yeah.
It's real cold.
Well, we'll name that one Skippy, because he skips. And this big one right here, well, he looks like a Gerald to me.
Gerald?
So we got
Skip?
Gerald and Skip. Skippy for short. And this guy, we'll call him Big Sir.
Big Sir?
This is Big Sir.
He's the big one, huh?
And then this one, looks like a Simon to me.
A Simon? So Simon, Big Sir, Gerald, and Skip.
Yep. So,
That one's gonna be lefty, or righty.
yeah, righty.
He's only got one claw, so we're naming him righty.
So, righty, that's
Gerald.
No, that's Simon. That's Gerald. That's Big Sir. That's Skippy. And this guy, we'll name him Tim.
Tim?
And the one sneaking in the corner, I'm gonna let you name this one.
I think Gerald Jr.
Gerald Jr. Alright, so we got Big Sir, Gerald Jr., Skippy, we got Righty, we got Simon, and Gerald. Did I miss one?
Nope, I think you're good.
It's been an honor, boys. I'm gonna miss Big Sir.
It's been an honor, sirs.
I'm gonna miss you, Simon.
In the arms of the angel. Alright, y'all, we've got a rolling boil on this thing. Let's give it a quick check.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Alright.
Oh, that is gonna be delicious.
Looks and smells delish. Keep in mind, guys, this isn't a full meal. We caught 7 crawdads. We realized a bunch of them were eating size, so we decided to send it.
7 out of, what, 27?
7 out of 25 were eaters. Lots of baby ones, lots of little ones like this big. So now that we got down to rolling boil, there's nothing left to do but drop the crawfish in. I'm gonna take this off for a minute.
Can I drop them in?
We can each drop them in, how about that?
Alright.
You wanna drop the first one?
I'll drop Big Sir.
Alright, Big Sir's going in first.
Alright. Okay. Big Sir, it's been an honor. Say goodbye to Big Sir, guys.
Goodbye, Big Sir.
It's going in.
Alright. Big Sir's at the bottom.
Big Sir is chilling. That's Skippy.
Skippy,
Goodbye, Skippy.
nice knowing you.
Oh, that's Timmy.
Timmy,
Tim.
no, this is Righty.
Oh yeah, that's ready.
Nice knowing you. Simon and Timmy, nice knowing you. You want to drop the last few?
Alright. Gerald and Gerald Jr., but you were never my favorite.
Step 1.
My heart is always to Big Sir.
Your heart is left with Big Sir, huh?
Hasta la vista.
All right. All 7 are in the pot. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna give it 5 minutes, and then after that, we're gonna taste some crawfish.
No, probably not anymore.
All right, y'all. We're here with Chef Dad. What up? You wanna give him a check out? You smell it?
It smells good.
Got lots of seasoning in there. Oh, nice.
Oh, they are already nice and bright red.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he was shaking. That one was so alive.
We're gonna give it they're already nice and red. I don't wanna overcook them, so I think we're gonna give them 2 minutes and then we're gonna pull them out. All right, guys, it is time to eat. Crawfish has been in there for about 2.5 minutes. The rolling boil has continued. They are bright red.
Oh, Those look good.
See that?
It was nice and round.
Nice. There's 1. That's 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that one didn't get very much seasoning.
That's 5, 6. That was the last one. And 7. Turn the Coleman on.
Look at this, guys. We got 7 delicious looking prawns.
Bright red, ready to go.
Add some little lemon juice. Want to add any seasoning on top?
Look at that, guys. Gonna hit these all with a little bit of,
Squeeze.
just a little squeeze on all of them here. And I would say these are ready to eat. What about you, Gray?
Ready to eat?
Like we said, guys, we watched a video. We know how to eat them. We're gonna do our best to teach you how to eat them too. The cooking process, really easy. Season your broth however you want to. We chose some seafood-ish seasonings, but we're going for the garlic buttery flavor. Get it to a rolling boil. Bring it down to a simmer. 2-3 minutes. Once they're red like that, they're ready to go. It's that easy, guys.
Cheers.
All right, guys, crawfish number 1. Now the way you want to eat these, you're gonna want to twist the tail off like so. See, nice easy tail. There's your meat right there. We're gonna pull this first one back like so.
Very hot.
And there you go. You're left with a whole piece of meat there. You're gonna pinch the tail and use your teeth. Use your teeth to pull the rest out. Mmm.
That is delicious, guys.
Isn't that amazing? And we've got some juice. You can suck the brain out. I don't want to do it, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. Actually ain't bad.
So what, you just suck it?
Yeah, I know there's not much meat in here, but I want to see if just there's gonna be a little bit of claw meat. Oh yeah,
Claw meat?
little bits of claw meat right there.
Well, now he's righty.
Mmm, big piece of claw meat. That's really good. Is this Big Sir's tail?
Yes.
You didn't eat it all.
Oh, I did?
Look, so you pinch this first part off and you spin it off.
Oh.
Look at all that meat, and you pinch the bottom and you bite it out.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Learn something new every day, guys.
You can almost like thumb it out too, like pull it all the way back. See there?
Oh, yeah.
He had a big tail. There's the big meat right there. Big Sir tail. Here, let me do you a favor.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Now that's how you eat crab. Mmm.
That's his brain right there.
Ooh.
Alright, let's make a pile of all of our
So is there any
shellfish.
meat in the like body or just like the tail?
That's a good question. Well, the body's pretty much the guts. Alright. Oh, this claw is gonna have some claw meat.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know the way to get the claw meat out. Look at that strand of meat right there. We're gonna pull this off like that. And I'm just gonna suck the claw meat out the bottom.
Oh, what's that black thing? Is that poop?
That is the poop tail.
Oh. Interesting.
But its poop consists of, you can eat it, you're good.
Oh.
There you go.
Poop consisting of what?
Sand and dirt.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go see if my dad wants to try one. So far, how would you rate these crawfish, bro? First time I've ever cooked my own crawfish, and oh, there's gonna be claw meat in these, bro. There's even, oh! These craws are blowing my mind. Not only are they good,
These are unbelievable. Oh, this is gonna be a good one.
let me show you. Do you know how to get the claw meat on this guy?
On what? Oh yeah, I forgot all about the claws.
Here. Let me show you. So suck out of that hole. Just suck it real hard. You almost got it.
That's unbelievable, guys.
All right, guys, I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna go see what my dad wants to try. Dude, we're getting claw meat out of these things too.
This one, that's the meat right there in the tail.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
You just gotta suck up the guts.
Back up a little bit.
There's
Oh
nice
yeah,
meat
that's
piece right
some
there.
good meat.
Wow, Gray, I'm actually pretty darn impressed with you right now.
Yeah, you know.
What do you think?
That was good.
So what were the main ingredients you put on it?
Oh, there we go.
Pretty much just
Yeah,
salt,
like a little shrimp.
chili
Hold on,
lime,
let me give you a claw.
and garlic.
Yeah. When Andrew and I were in New Orleans.
Suck out that hole. You almost there? See the meat right there?
Oh, that is a good piece of meat.
Suck it out.
Look at that, guys. It's juicy.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah?
That is good.
Good.
Do we have any left? Oh, last
I'm
one.
full. I'm full.
All
Mom,
right,
you
y'all.
gotta try one.
Last crawfish. One more time, I'm gonna show you. You twist it,
Was I
twist,
being filmed?
twist the tail.
I was being filmed?
Yep. All right, then you're gonna peel back this first layer here to expose all that meat. You're gonna wanna pinch, actually I'm gonna peel out the first 2 layers, there we go. You're gonna pinch the bottom of the tail like so. Big old piece of meat right there. Mmm.
He was wrong. This is the last one.
Oh, I was wrong.
And it's all to myself.
I'm impressed, boys. Good job.
Mama,
said
you
it's
got a
good.
good bite.
You asked if there's any meat on the insides, Gray? Not really.
Oh.
See, there's his gills.
Excellent job, boys.
Thanks, Mama.
You guys could get hired in New Orleans.
I don't know about that.
Oh, look at that tail meat, guys. That is
Kill it. The last one. Dude, I'm so impressed with ourselves right now. I thought we were gonna have to fake it for the camera.
No, that was actually really good.
Oh,
Thanks, guys. It's a good time.
look at that, guys. We have killed it. That's gonna conclude our episode 5 with the Brothers Camping Mission. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We had a spontaneous catch and cook we didn't know about, but boy was it fun. Let me
Very
put this
fun.
down here. So yeah, like I said, guys, thanks so much for tuning into this video. We appreciate it. Hanging out with my brothers is always fun. I couldn't have asked for a better crew on this mission. If you like this video, you want to watch more videos, you can click either here, 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 or here, wherever I decide to put the end cards. And any final thoughts?
I think everybody should at least try crawdad once and go fishing for them.
All right.
Really easy to catch.
That being said, guys, thanks so much. God bless you today. Hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you guys in the next mission in the wild or on the trail. Take care, guys. See you soon.